finished the first block, and all those strips have to be sewn together, of course. Finish the second one. They have to be sewn together. I'm going to start on the third. When it's sewn together, that's what it's going to look like. And then there's the fifth one. But when I get all these sewn together, it'll be one strip. But it will be added to the quilt longwise, not width, for each of the panels. But there's another set of 5 that has to be added to these to actually get the design. So all this will be sewn together into one strip. Then an added 5 will be put together, this will be sewn together, and then each of these will be sewn to the next one. And it's gonna look cool. Hey there, I just wanted to show you some other examples of some quilts that were made using hexagons and some form of applique and added it to a quilt, or vice versa, doing a hexagon quilt and adding random applique to it. They're beautiful. Watch. Hi folks, I'm just sitting here working on this Indian quilt, having a good time. Like I said, I can't wait to get to the other steps, putting it all together, putting these hexes attached to the panels and everything else that goes with it. I just can't wait. And then the final, actually doing the quilting. That's going to be wonderful. And hold on a minute. I'll show you the backing fabric. This is going to be the backing fabric for the quilt. The feathers. Look how pretty that is. It's going to go out in the back of the quilt. And this is going to frame the panels and the hexes.
The refreshingly clean routine that leaves you feeling from cheek to cheek care.
Nice, right? Pretty. And I was thinking of doing a little applique, but I'll see how it goes. So let's get started. Here's a video of some examples that you can do when you're using hexes and panels. I hope you enjoy. I'm back for the second half of this video. It's actually the next day. And I'm going to continue working on these hexes. The short little clip that I put in the beginning of this video, where I was at the moment, I've done a lot more since then. I just found myself last night, just kept going. And I was so tired. But that's what happens when you have the love of quilting. The passion for it. You get going, you don't want to stop. I forgot to show you another fabric that I think I'm going to use for the binding on this quilt. So hold on, I'll show you right now. I'm going to use these. Let me open it. See if you can see it better. This is pretty much it. I like it. I think I'm going to use this for the binding. So I'll be putting that as the binding. Possibly, maybe not. I might use it in the quilt. I haven't decided yet. But that's it for now. I just wanted to show you a few things. And I will be making another video, but it's still going to be based on this Indian quilt. So hopefully you're not bored. Keep watching. And if you can, please subscribe. It'll help my channel. And give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.